Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to open up this Artifacts box of 2019-20 new release. Using a dull pair of scissors. Yeah, there we go. Let's do this. Oh man. Okay. 4 cards per pack. 2 autographs or memorabilia per box. And maybe 3 depending if you get that Aurum dealie. Okay, let's do this. Andrei Vasilevsky, Mark Stone, Nicholas Lidstrom, legend, retired player, out of $5.99. Dougie Hamilton. Looking for a patch card would be nice. Man, these are really hard to open. Oh. This is a jersey card, or it looks like an acetate maybe. Okay, Jesper Bratt. It's a dual jersey. Johnny Gaudreau, Elias Lindholm out of 199. Kind of better than a regular jersey, I guess. Sean Couturier. Okay. We got Jakob Silfverberg. This is a Alexander Barkov Emerald, I guess. 12 out of 45. Parallel. Alex Tuck, RNH. What do we got here? Tom Wilson, Jimmy VC. This is my rookie redemption card from Winnipeg. I'm not sure who that will be. But, yep. Keep on going here. Frans Nielsen. Keeping this one. We got another thicker card. Okay, we got Patrick Laine. Another jersey card. Philip Forsberg, NHL Remnants. And Elias Lindholm. So I guess I might get an Aurum card. What do we got? Yeah, I got an Aurum card. Kyle Palmieri. Fucking yes. Sidney Crosby. I think he's a short print because he's thick. Or I should say, it's a thicker card. If I were to get any Aurum card, I'm so glad I got Sidney Crosby because he's a PC collection that I always pick up his cards, his parallels, and damn. To be honest, I think that might be a short print. I think that might be a more expensive card. I was gonna say this box sucks, but I'm so happy I hit that. Jason Zucker, Craig Anderson, another rookie card of Taro Heroes out of $2.99. Last card, last pack. I mean, we got. Come on. Vander Kane, numbered card, Jonathan Quick out of $6.99. So who wants a recap? Let's do a recap. So here are all my hits. There's 8 hits. We have 1 numbered card, Jonathan Quick of $6.99. Taro Heroes, rookie out of $2.99. Sidney Crosby Aurum. Phil Forsberg jersey. Rookie redemption. Alexander Barkov out of 45. Tundra teammates jerseys of Johnny Gaudreau, Elias Lindholm, and numbered card out of $5.99. Nicholas Lidstrom. Meh overall. If it wasn't for that Crosby card, I'd say this was not worth it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.